Hey there, are you ready to take your YouTube videos to the next level? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Introducing our Game Changer custom thumbnail design services. We all know that in the world of YouTube, first impression matters, and what's better at making that first impression than a stunning thumbnail? Our expert designers are here to transform your video into an irresistible click magnet. Imagine your content standing out from the crowd, drawing viewers in with vibrant colors, captivating graphics, and a clear message. Our done-for-you approach ensures that your thumbnail not only reflects your video's essence but also entices viewers to hit that play button. Now, here's the real fact: those who've invested in custom thumbnails have witnessed a dramatic increase in clicks, views, and even subscribers. It's like having a secret strategy that turns casual viewers into dedicated fans. But wait, there's more. Our process is all about collaboration. We'll schedule a call with you to understand your content, your style, and your audience. Then, our skilled designers will craft thumbnails that capture your video's essence in a single glance. So, if you're a content creator and you are ready to take the next step to have custom thumbnail design for your YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Twitter videos, and for your LinkedIn videos, book a call with us today. Together, we'll revolutionize your video channel's look and skyrocket your click-through rates and video views. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out in the YouTube universe. Let's turn your passion into a visual masterpiece. Book a call now and let our custom thumbnail creations pave the way for your YouTube triumph. Get ready to shine with our custom thumbnail done for you. Click the link below or above this video to book an appointment now.